Hey Shikha, hi.
So,
In April, I guess you got a 760 score, right? It was in April,
right. Yeah,
right?
April.
So Shikha, just take us through your journey in that now that we're talking, and you also had a bit of mountain to climb because some things got stuck for you, and and did you really try applying to any deferred programs or something? Just take us through the journey of the GMAT first. What precisely helped you here, and what was it that was not letting you go past a particular point? Please tell.
I realized that I was not able to, cross the ceiling of V40. And that's when I got in touch with Sir, and that really helped me. I think the major issue with my, prep was that I wasn't getting my approach right. In verbal, I feel it's very important to get the approach right, for every subsection. So I think that's what the course really helped me with to get the methods right. I feel they were really implementable and structured, and plus the practice material also, it was very good quality, as in the exam I felt that I was very familiar with the level of questions I was being asked. So I think these two factors really helped me, push that score up. Right, sure. So in reading comprehension, I think Octave was a very comprehensive framework. Like at the end of the day, it just teaches you to honestly read intelligently and make things pop out of the screen for you.
Mhm,
Right, what's important and save time on that. So I think that was very helpful for me in terms of RC.
mhm,
For SC, I think I was lacking a structured approach, as in I would
mhm,
just get stuck with last two options and just go with my intuition, choose any of them. But
mhm,
I think like your methods really helped me nail down first of all the rules that I have to follow, then preferences. So I think that helped me make a very right choice
mhm,
towards the end. Coming on to CR, I think the approach for CR was very simplified. As in, I've read multiple books. Trust me, it was a long journey for me, and I referred every material out there on the internet. And I think you sort of divide it in a very simplistic manner.
mhm.
So it came all very naturally to me. Coming on to verbal, as I said, I faced major pacing issues in verbal as well. And I realized that was because I didn't do timed practice. So that's
Mm.
one advice I would like to give. It's very important to do timed practice.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And nothing really unusual in terms of test type, question types, or anything. Nothing really, right?
No, I
Just
think I was pretty familiar with the difficulty level.
right. And when you say timed practice, are you talking about long sittings with one topic, or are you talking about mocks sort of practice? Like when you say time, like you take RC for 3, 4 hours that you continue practicing randomly, or is it more
Mhm.
like 20 minutes, 30 minutes a section you do, or a mock you do? What kind of practice when you see? Because I advise long sittings of two types. One is the actual timer on, the other is that
Yeah.
one particular section you to do it for a longer duration. So which one was really more helpful for you, if you can tell?
Yeah, I think one should just simulate, like take 30 questions,
Mm,
30 minutes, say for SC particularly,
mm,
and just time it. Otherwise you won't be able to build that stamina and
mhm,
that confidence, right? You will be stuck on certain questions, be too cautious about a question and not move on. So I think that's
mhm.
very important with GMAT.
Right. Thanks a lot, Shikha, for joining in.
Thank you so much. Bye.
Right. Bye.